Ngayon ay sa 76ers, Gideon McDaniels guys, so Anthony Edwards, Paul George guys, so ito yun Maxi. Okay, so start na po natin guys. Napakaangas na laban na to guys. Let's go.
So Philadelphia will get the first possession. Now here is
oops. Grabe naman yung sir. Hey. Parehas lang nga ng jersey na block.
76ers on defense. Here is Edwards. Pass to Conley.
Uy. Oops. Box out.
Knocked away.
Uy. Sayang hindi nila nahawakan guys.
Timberwolves ball as Minnesota keeps possession.
Isa kanila po yung bola guys. So let's go. Unin natin siya.